What's going on, people? This is Ken Jackson. I got a quick video for y'all. I'm gonna be installing these speaker covers on the Stinger. As you can see, we got, first of all, let me just say I do love the interior. I love the way it looks. But when you think about it, it is kind of confusing, right? Black up top. I love the design of this, okay? Let me just say that first, Kia, all right? Obviously, no car is perfect. You made a few mistakes. Anyway, I love how soft this is. I love how this feels. I love the black. I love the silver. And I definitely love the red. All right? But you come down here, you got the speakers, the Harman Kardon system. Silver, silver, black. Why? She just made that silver too, right? That's where this comes in. Put that up on now you got silver, 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 right? But I get it though. You want the black to match with the black, blah, 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 blah. But now that I'm looking at it even more, it kind of is weird, I guess. I'm kind of wondering, why is this black? I don't know. It still looks good, right? Till we come to this one that I've already done. Does that look better? Huh? Does that look better to you? Now it does have protective cover. I took it off of this one, so it does match with this system, with the Harman Kardon stuff. That's why this other one in the back looks blue. It has a protective cover on it. But basically, to install these, it already has tape on it. It comes with an extra set, an extra roll of tape, and it is bendable. So you want to bend it into shape, or really get the right placement. Clean it off with some alcohol, which I have right here. And you don't have to heat it or apply adhesion promoter, but it's completely up to you. Right? It's completely up to you. Let me get this other piece. It's up to you on what you want to do or how you want to do it. I usually don't apply adhesion promoter to the things that I'm using. Just a dab of alcohol. Okay. Just gonna wipe around the speaker, get any dust or dirt off of here. Maybe a little bit more. Hang on. That's better. Now, you shouldn't need to heat this up. It's in the interior, right? And it's not like it's gonna be hidden. It's not like it's gonna be hit with a lot of different weather and dirt and all this other stuff. It's in your interior. That's why I'm not too much worried about it. But things like how I did the double claws and whatever else you want to put on your car that's on the exterior, I would probably heat it up and all that other stuff. Now the other part is, you obviously just want to line it up. They do not come labeled, so you pretty much just lining it up. So the passenger and the driver's side are two different ones. You can't put the driver's side on the passenger side because they're flipped. But basically, you know, peel the tape off, and it looks like the tape is separated, but it's actually not, which, where I got this from, I'm going to put it in the description. But I would say they did a pretty good job. Can I get this off of here? I got a little nail to get it off, but okay, let me put this down. There's some strong glue up on here, boy. Some strong glue. Give me the tape, man. Give me. There we go. So, look at that. It all came off in one piece. It looked, like I said, it looks like it's separated when you look at it, but it's actually all wrapped in one piece. Let the alcohol dry for a little bit. It is pretty hot out here, so it is pretty dry. And I can take the film off after I place this on here. Can line it up like that. Start pressing it down. Should have got a cloth or something, because I'd be rubbing too hard on this. Pause. I'd be rubbing too hard on stuff. So some gloves or some microfiber cloth to help with that, so it won't be burning my fingers or whatever. But I usually like to tap on it. Get it into place. Just go around it and press it. Can do a little bit more. Let me take this film off so you guys can see it. I should have did this before I put it on here, but then again, I think I got it. Do I got it? Just to show you how everything comes off in one piece. The place I got this from did a good job. There you go. Just need a little hole. Come on. Okay, I need a bigger hole. There we go. Give me. Boy, this one's being difficult. The other one I put on was quick and easy. There we go. So even though it has the cutouts, there you go. Even though it has the cutouts, like how the Harman Kardon system has, it's still easy to just peel right off. And then you get that look. Like it actually matches together, right? So, just like that. Now, if you want, you can heat it before you put it on there. But you shouldn't have to. Like I said, it's on the interior, so you shouldn't have to. Now, does that look better? I think it looks a little better. I haven't done the driver's side. Ignore the garage, but just to give you the idea. And yes, I'm doing something. I'm working on something in the car, so I got all my tools and stuff up in here. But just to show the difference, right? I don't know. It looks pretty good to me. But that's all I wanted to show you guys. It's a quick video. I'll show you where you can get it from. Just so you know, just so you'll know that you don't have to like change the speaker cover or anything like that to get it to match. It's literally just clean and apply. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.